Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can publish a card website. So we are going to use the publish icon in the editor toolbar. So let's go here to the top right corner where you see this floppy disk that is the publisher. So as you can see, publish this site, click on it. Now here on the left will open up a menu. So you will type in the title here. So let's say how and description. You put in some of it. Then right here also you can have some media icon and some settings of language, password protection, and so on. When you are done with that, uh, you have here published to a .cart.com URL. Name, so let's go with how, just something like that. And when it's done, you just hit publish button and you successfully publish a card website. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.